hope you all are good, safe, and as you all can see, I have a red mark here, which is a symbol of, we all know this is a symbol of AIDS. So it's a World AIDS Day today. 1st December generally is to be celebrated as the World's AIDS Day. It's more of the World AIDS Day awareness. And this was being derived since 1988. We are celebrating every year 1st December, the World AIDS Day. This day is generally to spread, this day has been generated to spread the awareness on AIDS, generally to everybody around us across the world, and to get an awareness on the AIDS pandemic, and also to mourn those who died with this disease, with this HIV infections. So everybody generally celebrates this day to make an awareness in the society where this pandemic has really affected everybody a lot. As we see, a lot of NGOs, national, international, are working on this AIDS pandemic. But as an estimations of some calculations, 40 million people, died since 1981 with this disease. Do we all know this? Seriously, when I participate in such activities, when I share information with you, this is also an eye-opener for me also at times, that 40 million died with AIDS, HIV infections across the world since 1981. And we see 37 million people are still living who has this infection. It's a huge numbers if we see that. And this is the most important global health issue today we see, which has been awarded and been designated that it is the most important health issue which is to be discussed, which is to be get an awareness on. And this is a global issue. It's not just related to India, maybe Africa, South Africa or America. This is a problem with all across the world. So it's a global pandemic. अगर हम देखें, there are improvements, there are vaccinations which is working on AIDS, HIV infections, जिससे कि बहुत ज़्यादा differences आए हैं, हमारे numbers fall down हुए हैं. Now we see 2 million every year, get infection with this disease, and जिसमें से देखा जाता है, calculate किया जाता है कि approximately 2.5 lakh, 250,000 numbers are children. They're kids who's getting infections. So it's sad numbers, but then we see a lot of growth in declining these numbers. This is one good news. Let's talk about how can we spread the awareness, the observations on the AIDS disease. How can we guide, how can we aware everybody around us that it is an AIDS day? Because हम में से बहुत सारे लोग शायद आज ही इसके बारे में सुन रहे होंगे. Then AIDS is a pandemic moment in the world across globally, और बहुत सारे लोग जानते ही नहीं हैं how can they aware other people or how can they get awareness in them about this disease. I think so. There are many ways to get awareness, to spread awareness, जिसमें से सबसे बड़ा symbol है keeping a red ribbon here. Wearing a red ribbon in your lapel is a most prominent, maybe a discussion, a most prominent visibility that you are spreading an AIDS day or maybe information and awareness about the AIDS around the society. So this is a symbol. This red ribbon is just not a ribbon, it's a symbol of AIDS Day. It's a symbol of the disease, their emotions. And I generally see there are a lot of other awarenesses we can work on, like donating on the AIDS Day. We all need to. There are a lot of NGOs working, I always say, but we need to be volunteer at least around our circle so that we can be a help to some people. Maybe our finances can support, maybe small amount of our finances can support somebody to fight with this, disease, pandemic disease, which is AIDS. It's HIV infection. So we see a lot of non-profitable organizations are working national and international, especially in South Africa and America, where the cases gets high in numbers. So we all need to get become a volunteer and keep donating. And we can attend the candlelight vigils as well, because at a lot of areas in America today on 1st December they vigil this. We see that it is getting to zero since 2012 year. The numbers are getting towards the zero. I mean, I don't say that it's out of the it's not in the society anymore. ये बाहर नहीं गया है अभी society से, but we see the numbers are falling down, which is a great achievement. So I think अगर हम ये सब चीजें policy spread करने के लिए, it's just a message. Maybe अगर आप financially कुछ donate नहीं कर सकते हैं, then at least we can participate in events like wearing a red ribbon, or maybe by doing a candlelight vigils, or maybe, you know, there are other ways as well which I've just mentioned to you. If you follow any of donating some money to the AIDS patients, I think so this can encourage them to fight with this problem, fight with this disease. So keeping the humanity in our minds always, I really would like to aware everybody with today's day, that's the World AIDS Day, and I really pray to God that everybody or anybody who's ever fighting with this disease, or their family is fighting with disease, may get well, recover soon, and see their families back. I hope you all are going to keep yourselves away and safe from this pandemic, COVID as well, because that's also one big spread happening nowadays. And I'll see you soon with the next videos. Bye bye, take care.